Hello everyone, welcome to your English class. In today's lesson, we are going to cover direct and indirect speech in English grammar. It is one of the most important topic or interesting in English grammar. It is also known as reported speech. We shall discuss the various rules for conversion of direct to indirect speech and vice versa in today's class. Well, there are two ways to report what someone says. The first one, the direct speech. In the direct speech, we shows a person's exact word. Quotation marks are used in this speech. Another one, the indirect speech. It is also known reported speech. When we are talking someone what another person said or thought, but do not use their actual words. Students, remember it. Quotation marks are not used in reported speech. Verb tenses, pronouns, and some time and place words may change because the time, place, and speaker may be different. When we report a statement, we use reported verbs such as say, tell, explain, inform, answer, decide, etc. after followed by that. Let's see this with an example.
You want direct sentence. You have to change it into an indirect sentence. So the question is, what is your name? She asked.
The answer is she asked me what my name is.
Activity. You have observed that while changing into indirect speech, the exact words are not used. Clear? So next I am going to provide a number of the rules that how to change from a direct speech to indirect speech. Number 1, verb tense changes. Present simple becomes past simple while making reported speech. Past simple becomes past perfect. Present continuous becomes past continuous. Present perfect, past perfect. Present perfect continuous becomes past perfect continuous. Future becomes conditional. Number 2, place changes. In the direct speech, here word is there. In the indirect speech, it becomes there. This place becomes that place. Time changes. In the direct speech, now or while making it indirect speech, it becomes then. Today, tonight becomes that day, that night, that morning. Yesterday becomes the day before. Tomorrow, the following day. Last month, the month before. Personal pronoun changes. In the direct speech, I. While making it into indirect speech, it becomes he, she. You becomes I, she, he, we, they. We, they. Possessive pronouns changes. In the direct speech, my. In the reported speech, it will become his, her. Your becomes my, his, her, their. Questions reported speech. In reported WH questions, we use the WH word plus the subject plus the verb. We do not use the interrogative form of the verb do, does, or did. As it is an indirect question, no question marks are used. When we report, request, advise, or warnings, we use verbs such as advise, ask, beg, tell, order, etc. followed by an infinitive. Infinitive means using of to, and we use to in the imperative sentences. So students, I hope it is clear to all of you all the rules. So for today's class, that is enough. Now your homework is to revise it, learn the rules. In the next class, we will continue with this topic.